Meaning of exert.
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 Exert. The word exert means to apply physical or mental effort to achieve a particular result. When someone exerts themselves, they put forth a significant amount of energy or force towards a goal or task, often resulting in a physical or tangible outcome. This could include lifting heavy objects, completing a challenging workout, or successfully accomplishing a difficult project at work. Exertion can also refer to mental effort, such as concentrating intensely on a problem or studying for an extended period. Ultimately, exerting oneself leads to a sense of accomplishment and a feeling of progress towards a desired outcome.